Raghunath Chavan, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. Now I am here to explain the IoT communication models. At the end of this session, the students will be able to differentiate the different IoT communication models. So we will focus on few questions. The first one is, what is communication in IoT? So in the Internet of Things, there are n number of things. They are connected to the internet. We call it as Internet of Things, and they communicate with each other through the protocols, and which makes use of existing infrastructure and technology. So the way in which they are communicating with each other through all these different resources like internet, then protocol infrastructure, we say that it is IoT communication. Next question, what is communication? How communication is done in IoT? In IoT, the communication is done either wired or wireless. Why communication is essential in IoT? In IoT, the communication is very important because it exchanges the data. So without communication, there is no sense in Internet of Things. Now we will focus on different communication models. The first one is request and response model. In this model, we have client, server, and resources. So client is connected to the server. So client sends a request to the server. So based on this request, the server is going to send the response to the client. So server gives the response, which fetches the data, retrieves the resources. This model is stateless communication model. So this request response model pair is independent, and here the resources are connected to the server also. So based on the request, the server is sending the response, and hence it is called request response model. This model makes use of HTTP protocol. Next, second model. This is publish subscribe model. In this model, we have publisher, broker, and subscriber. Three entities are there. So publisher is the main source of data. Publisher sends the messages to the broker. So broker is having different topics like topic A, topic B. So this broker is connected to the subscribers. So there are n number of subscribers. They are connected to the different type of brokers. So each topic A is connected to all the subscribers. Similarly, topic B is also connected to all the subscribers. So like this, total three entities. Publisher is going to send the data which publishes, and broker which connects the consumers, and the consumers, they are going to collect the data from the broker. So publisher is don't have direct access to the subscriber. So publisher is not aware about the subscribers. So think and write an answer for this question. The question is, why communication is essential in IoT? Pause the video and write the answer. I hope you have written the answer. The communication is essential in IoT because there is a need to exchange the data. So for this purpose, the communication is must. Next model, publish subscribe model. Next model, push pull model. In this model, there are three entities. The first one is publisher, the second one is the queue, and third one is the consumer. So publisher is going to publish the messages. So these are the messages which are published by publishers. So these messages, they are in queue. So we call this queue as message buffered queue. So the messages which are delivered by publisher are stored in the buffer. So these messages are further fetched or pulled from this queue by the consumer. So like this, there is interaction between publisher and queue and consumer. So publisher push the messages into the queue and the consumer pulls the messages from the queue. So that's why it is called push and pull model. So this queue is decoupling of messages in the buffer. So like this, push and pull model works. So publisher sends the data towards the consumer via buffer, via queue. So queue fetching the data from the publisher and it sends towards the consumer. This is how the push and pull model works. Coming to next model, which is exclusive pair model. So this model consists the client and server. So client is going to connect to the server through internet. So initially the client sends a request to the server, which is request to set up connection. So initially there should be connection between client and server. So this request is sent by initially this client. So with respect to this request, the server sends the response, which is sent by server, and client is going to accept the request, and hence they get connected with each other. So once the connection is established, the messages from the client are sent towards server. So server accepts these messages, and from server to the client the messages will be sent. So like this, there will be exchange of information between the client and server. Next, once the exchange of information is over, then there should be a disconnection, means the connection should be closed. So for that, the client sends a request which is to close the connection. With respect to this, the server sends a response to the client that your request is granted. So, and hence the communication between the client and server will be closed. So this is how the client and server pair model works. So this pair is called exclusive pair model. These are the references. Thank you.